Are you interested in making money for real with CPA marketing? Why not just simply try out this strategy, which I'm going to reveal for you right now in today's video. And this is going to be an amazing strategy which you could take advantage of right now and start earning money even as a beginner right now in the year 2023 and beyond. So do watch this video to the end to learn this simple strategy right now and start utilizing this to get traffic to your CPA marketing offers and end in the year 2023 and beyond. So without much introduction and further ado, let's just jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to just simply head onto this platform right here, which is called the freeplrdownloads.com. And if you do head onto this platform, you can actually take advantage of the fact that you could go on to downloading free PLRs right now on any niche of your choice. And you can see the niches right here are quite numerous. The niches ranges from the adoption niche or the addiction niche, the blogging niche, the business, the copywriting, CPA, health and hiking, hobbies, hunting, and a lot of niches right now. And supposing guys, I want to focus on a specific niche, I'm just going to click on that niche and I'll be able to see more PLRs on that niche. And if I do want to just simply focus on this ebook right now, which says understanding your life's perspective, I'm just going to click on that ebook right there, which is actually going to bring me to this page where I can see more details about the ebook right now. And you want to just simply scroll down to this section and download this particular ebook or PLR on your device. Once you download this right here, you could download that for absolutely free. Next, you want to go on to editing that particular PLR, and you could use this platform right now, which is called the searchda.com. If you do head onto this platform, click on edit a PDF document, and you want to just simply go on to uploading that particular PDF document right now. If you do click on upload right now, I'm just going to go on to selecting that PDF document. This is it right now. If I do click on open, as you can see right now, I'm being brought to this page right here where I can just simply go into editing this particular PDF document right now to my preference right here. So before I actually do go into editing this guys, you want to make sure you do get a content which you want to just simply add to this particular PDF right now. And guys, to get a content, you want to just simply go onto this platform right now, which is called the Cpagrip.com. If you do head on to Cpagrip or any other CPA marketing platform that do actually have access to the URL file locking or content locking capability right now, you want to take advantage of those platforms right there. If I do head on to Cpagrip, if you don't have an account, click on register. You should be brought to a page where you can see this form right now. Fill out each and every field that is actually having this red asterisk signs, and those are actually the important field which you must go on to fill in before your account can actually do go on to getting created on this platform. Once you do fill out this form appropriately, agree to the terms of services by checking these boxes right now, click on register and log into your account, of which you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. What you want to do right now is to come onto this section, click on monetization tools, and you want to just simply click on URL file locker. Right now, click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of services, click on continue, and you can then just simply go on to creating a simple URL file locker right now. So take a look at this URL file locker which I created for this purpose. First of all, you want to head onto the template, select any template of your choice. I'm actually using the human verification template right there. I can actually head back, name my URL file locker something cool right now, and for this particular logged URL section, you want to make sure that you do log in a link right now to a very valuable content to your audience. And to get such content, you could just simply head onto YouTube and search for that particular niche right now for that ebook. You will see the niche is also understanding your life perspective, as in this particular ebook right now. If you do go on to searching for that exact same niche on YouTube, you want to just simply come right here, click on filter, and actually do go on to filtering this right now to select the Creative Commons. And if you do select Creative Commons, you can actually do see images or videos that you can go on to using right now. You could go on to maybe screenshotting this thumbnail for this particular video. Supposing I want to use this video, and I can then just simply go on to right clicking on the image, copy the link address, head back to my Cpagrip URL file locker, paste in that particular link right now, and do go on to clicking on save. Once I do that right here, my URL file locker will be created, of which I can actually go on to clicking on get link, and you could see the link to my URL file locker, which I can then go on to using. Next, you want to just simply go on to this platform right now, which is called the canva.com. If you head on to Canva, click on customize size. You want to select this 1000 by 1000 pixels right now, and you can then just be brought to a blank page. And on this blank page, you want to just simply go on to uploading that particular image which you actually did down screenshot right now. If you upload that, add that particular image right here to this particular page, and you want to just simply make the image bigger and adding a simple text such as this, which actually do says click the link or click to watch full video. If you actually do put in something like this right now, next you want to just simply go into the element section and actually do search for play button. If you search for that, you can see a lot of play icons which you could go on to using. Supposing I want to use this one right now, I can actually go on to centralizing this, or I can then just simply reduce this right now and actually centralize this also. So once this has actually been inserted, click on share and actually go on to downloading this image right now. Once the image has been downloaded, head back to this platform called Cpagrip and actually edit this PDF which we were actually editing in the first place. And to do that right now, guys, you want to just simply go on to scrolling through, and if you want to just simply come right here, click on image icon to upload that image on this platform. You want to select the image right now, and as you can see, the image has actually been selected. I can then just simply place the image right here. I'm just going to drag that to the bottom section a lot more, and you can see the image right now. Next, you want to just simply click on link and actually do highlight this particular section which you want right now to go on to using. And for anybody that do click on this section which is actually highlighted right there, you want to just simply put in a link which you want to drive traffic to. So if I do go on to inserting in this section right now the link to my CPA or URL file locker, copy the link, actually head back to Cpagrip right there, and if I do head back to Cpagrip, I'm going to paste in that right now and actually do go on to clicking on save. And if I do that right here, guys, you can see that for anybody that do click on this link, is automatically, or this image is automatically going to take them to my URL file locker. What you want to do next is to actually do go on to clicking on apply changes right here. If you do click on that, as you can see, your changes will actually be applied, of which you can go on to also checking out how effective your change actually is or how the change actually looks. You can see the image right now, guys, in this section, and for as many people that do go on to scrolling through this particular PLR, will be able to see that. Click on that particular image, of which will take them to my CPA marketing offers or URL file locker, which I can actually start earning some cool cash doing. So next, you want to download this on your device, and you want to just simply head on to Google Documents right here. If you do head on to Google Documents, you want to go on to pasting that right here and get a unique link right now to that particular PAF or PLR. And once you do that, you want to just simply head on to this platform right now called Reddit, or any social media platform out there such as Facebook and co, and you want to just simply search for the free ebook. If you search for that right here, you could see in the community there are actually lots and lots of communities you could take advantage of and start promoting that particular ebook right there. You could actually do go on to checking out more communities. You could see this communities has about 2.3 million members. This has 3.36,000 members, and the list keep going on and on. So join a very cool community right there which you could take advantage of right now and actually go on to driving traffic to that particular URL file locker right there by just simply clicking on that right now. You could then just simply go on to writing a simple post right now promoting your URL file locker or CPA marketing offers and start making some cool cash using this simple strategy. So the more you actually promote that particular PLR that was edited, the more you actually start making money right now in the year 2023 and beyond. So hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, make sure you do go to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also ensure your notification bells are turned on all. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.